Well, ET now spoke to Saurabh Mukherjee of Marcellus Investments in order to just garner a perspective as to whether or not we're on the verge of recovery, what the outlook is on the Q3 earnings, as well as spotting value in the markets. And he spoke to us and he was of the view that as of now, it's really difficult to hold back on the ongoing rally because the markets seem to be in a very firm direction and that seems to be on the upside. So that clearly seems to be the flavor of the market. In terms of what the key trigger is going to be, he believes that earnings growth is definitely going to power the rally on the Lal Street, and a lot of capex that was earlier subdued is now starting to pick up. So that's another driver of growth as well for the equity markets. In terms of sectors or themes that sort of believes that one can really look at to play the markets, to ride the opportunity and capitalize on the market momentum, he believes that building materials, that's a really good way to really play the theme of recovery that's kicking into the markets, because on ground as well, we have seen things resume normalcy and things are really picking up on this front. He believes that one can also look at quality lenders in the portfolio as well. A lot of these niche players within the financial space have a lot of opportunity, and Saurabh as well flagged off Aavas Financiers. He said that they've now added that stock in the portfolio. They are also continuing to look at well-run second-rung lead lenders as well. So clear traction likely to be witnessed within the financial space, and this is definitely going to be an opportunity for growth for investors to really look at. Not just those two spaces, he's also looking at enthusiastically adding auto as well as auto ancillaries to the portfolio, because he believes that the kind of recovery that we've seen has been very commendable within the auto space. He's very confident of the prospects within the auto ancillary as well as the auto space. There have been a lot of initiatives and government steps that have been taken on this front. So all of this is likely to bode well going forward for the prospects of the auto as well as the auto ancillary basket. Well, not just that, he continues to also believe that the performance of a lot of these specialty chemicals players as well continues to look good and very surprising on the upside. In fact, he believes that specialty companies in India are likely to do well in the long run. There's a lot of value in some of these domestic pharma plays as well, which looks quite interesting. He's also of the view that high quality, small cap names have the potential to do well, but one needs to be very specific and stock specific and do their research. And he's of the view that some of the traditional names like HUL, Nestle, Colgate have given downside protection in the portfolio, and a lot of these steady companies can deliver 10 to 12% CAGR growth. So it is important to have some of these. Divi's Laboratories is an API play with plenty of opportunities. He spoke of Abbott Laboratories, which is an interesting pharma play. He believes that staple of products from Abbott offers huge promise. Relaxo, Dr. Lal Path Labs, all of these as well offer a lot of stability in the portfolio.